Hey there, DIYer and car enthusiast. Today we're breaking down the exact locations of the TPMS components, including the sensors, transmitters, and receiver, so you know where to look and how to save money. Whether you're replacing a bad sensor, chasing a warning light, or just curious how this system works, this is a DIY-friendly guide that could save you hundreds of dollars compared to taking it to the dealership. Let's get right into it. Before we dive under the car, here's a quick bit of context. This TPMS layout isn't just found on one model. It's used across several BMWs built between 2010 and 2016, including the F10 5 Series, F12 and F13 6 Series, the F017 Series, and some F15 X5 and F16 X6 models. In this video, we'll be using the 2011 BMW F10 550i as our example, because it shares the exact same TPMS setup. Let's start with the TPMS sensors. There are 4 total, and they're located inside each wheel, mounted directly to the valve stem. These sensors monitor both tire pressure and temperature. When the car is moving, they send out a radio signal with that data. They're battery power, and over time the batteries can fail, which is a common reason for TPMS warnings. Next, let's talk about the TPMS transmitter modules, also called the antenna. The 550i and other models I mentioned earlier come with 2 transmitters or antenna modules. To access them, remove the rear wheels and pull back the fender liner. Look for a small black rectangular module clipped or mounted to the body. That's your transmitter or antenna. These modules don't measure pressure. They simply receive the wireless signal from the tire sensors and pass that data to the central receiver. Now let's talk about the TPMS receiver, also known as the RDC control unit. On the 2011 BMW 550i and most of the other models mentioned earlier, the receiver is mounted under the car, directly beneath the driver's seat, attached to the underbody on the driver's side. To see it, you'll need to safely lift the vehicle and remove a couple of bolts here. As I pull this cover downward, you can see the TPMS receiver clipped right here to the underbody, just below the driver's seat area. It's held in place with simple clips and wiring harnesses, so once you spot it, it's easy to identify. This module is the brain of the TPMS system. It takes the signals from both antennas, figures out which sensor is in which corner, and then sends that data to your iDrive screens or instrument cluster. By the way, some builds, especially certain 7 series models, may have the TPMS receiver located inside the trunk, behind the interior panel, so if it's not under the car, that's the next place to check. And there you have it, guys. If this video helped you locate your TPMS components, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what issue you were chasing. Until next time, take care, drive safe, and keep turning those wrenches.